So welcome. Good afternoon to you all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I believe you are fine. You are doing well. You are all fine, eh? Okay. So I welcome you to the Central Regional Qualifiers, and this is day 2 and contest 2. We just finished contest 1. And before we begin the contest, I want to take advantage to acknowledge our sponsors and organizers. So kindly note that the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz is organized by the College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, DEX Technology, and Erede Ghana Limited. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you all. Again, we have the following sponsors, and they have made the quiz possible. First is the KNUST Learning, and we appreciate them for our media and video coverages. Again, we appreciate and want to thank the Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST, also, DEX Technologies, Ghana Great Company Limited, MTN Stakeholders Management, and Nestle Ghana Limited. We have one major media partner, and that is Jsmq TV. We also thank for partnering with us and making sure that we are live as well. So we deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaborations. Moreover, we want to use this opportunity to salute the heads of various schools and our dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing the contestants for this contest. The gallant students proudly representing their schools and competition, and for burning the midnight oil and getting their names registered in the competition. And of course, our jubilant supporters. We want to use this opportunity to salute you all. So we want to just give a hand of applause to all these people, a hand of applause to them all. So my name is Dr. Gabriel Obedfosu from the Department of Mathematics, KNUST, and I am your quiz master this afternoon. I want to let you know that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz is tailor-made for learners in the junior high school to enable them exhibit the understanding of the basic principle underlying the life and physical sciences, and is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right at the early stages in life. I'm sure all the contesting schools are prepared well, and we are poised, looking forward for an exciting quiz. Can we go offline? as I said earlier, I believe that you are well prepared and we are poised, looking forward for an exciting quiz indeed. So this afternoon our competing schools are Redemption Baptist Mission School, Police Basic School, Cape Coast, and Ebubonko MA Basic School. And before we start, I introduce myself and also want to know you by names and your levels. So I'll start with Redemption Baptist Mission School, your names and your levels. Yes.
My name is Jsmq, Basic 9, Redemption.
Then again, and who? And you?
Estandre for Basic 9.
Let's give a hand of applause to them. Now to Police Basic School, Cape Coast. Yes, introduce yourselves.
Vanessa Hammond, Basic 9.
Okay. And?
Emmanuel Abraham, Basic 9.
Let's give it also to them a hand of applause. Then finally, Ebubonko MA Basic School.
William Prosper Terry, Basic 9.
Basic 9.
Let's also give it to them a hand of applause. Yes, you are doing well, our supporters. You are doing well. So let me kindly ask the contestants to put their microphones on and do not turn it off until the end of the contest. Again, you have buzzers in front of you, and we need to test the buzzers again and to see whether it's working so that we don't have any issues to deal with here. So first, I'll start from Redemption Baptist. Can I hear your buzzer? Fantastic. Press again. Good. Police Basic, your buzzer. And press again. Good. Then Ebubonko MA. Press your buzzer. Press again. Fantastic. So that is great. I want to let you know that we have 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is the fundamentals, round 2 is the fastest fingers, fastest brain, round 3 the science and technology challenge, and we have the decoding the clues for the final round, that is round 4. And kindly know that I'll be reading the instruction at the beginning of each round. In round 1, which is the fundamentals, it consists of questions from biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded, and if it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculation, and 40 seconds for questions that do require calculation. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts. You have 2 attempts within that time period. And for a main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question, 1 attempt for a bonus. Bonus questions are open to the other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failure to press the buzzer before answering a question, a bonus question, nullifies your answer, and thus you don't have any point. But for your main question, you do not have to ring the buzzer. For your main question, you do not have to ring the buzzer. You have 2 attempts within the time period, and then if it becomes available as a bonus, you need to press the buzzer before you can answer the given question. Best wishes to you all. So we are starting straight to business. Let me have a smile from you. Relax before we zoom in. Relax. Let me have a smile from all of you. Yeah, a smile from you all. Good. So, preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. A student is learning how to create a simple website with HTML. Answer the following based on basic web development concepts. I read again. A student is learning how to create a simple website using HTML. Answer the following based on basic web development concepts. Redemption Baptist. I believe you got the preamble. Okay, good. So now Redemption Baptist, your main question. What does HTML stand for?
Hypertext Markup Language.
That is correct for 3 points. Let's give it to them. Police Basic, your main question. What is the main purpose of HTML in web development?
The HTML it serves as the link in the document.
That is not correct. Available as a bonus? Yes. Ebubonko. Yes, a bonus.
It serves as the programming language for them.
I'm not giving you that as a bonus. That is not correct. So it's used to structure, just programming language is so broad. So it's used to structure the content of the web pages, it's for the structuring. Now your main question, Ebubonko. Which symbol is used to enclose HTML tags? Police Basic. Speak. Police Basic, speak.
The bracket symbol.
Which type of bracket are you talking about?
Curly bracket.
Oh, that is not correct. We use the normal angle brackets, the greater than, less than brackets, not the curly brackets. So I'm not giving you that as a bonus. Next set of questions, preamble to all schools. An atom Y has atomic number 14 and a mass number of 28. It loses 2 electrons in order to be stable. State the electronic number of the atom. I'll read again. It's a preamble to all schools. An atom Y has an atomic number 14 and a mass number of 28. It loses 2 electrons in order to be stable. States the electron number of the atom. State the electron number of the atom. So Police Basic, before it loses electrons.
14.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. Ebubonko MA, Basic School, after losing electrons, that is correct. Let's give it to them. Redemption Baptist. Name the type of ion formed by the atom when it loses 2 electrons?
Cation.
Come again?
Cation.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. We keep moving. Next set of questions, 15 seconds. Ebubonko. Why do children sometimes resemble their parents?
Because of heredity.
Okay. Is that all? Yes, I'll give it as a bonus to police basic. Yes.
Because of genetic factors.
I'll give you one as a bonus because it's based on the genes, not just hereditaries. It's based on the genes. Now, Redemption Baptist main question. What is the function of DNA in heredity?
DNA is there. It holds there.
Keep speaking, keep speaking, keep speaking.
It holds the genetic information of the parent to be passed on to the offspring or child.
I'll give you 3 points for that. Police basic. What does it mean when we say a trait or a characteristic is recessive?
Because it can be passed on.
That is not correct. You have another attempt?
It cannot be passed on.
That is also not correct. Available as a bonus?
A child can.
Who was speaking? Who was speaking? Yes. Continue.
A child can take it from the parents.
Okay. Okay. Did you ring the buzzer?
It is not working.
Press, let me see. Press the buzzer. Have you pressed it?
Yes.
Okay, we'll just go for a short commercial break for them to check for you. So Prosper, press the buzzer again. Let me see. Good. Now answer the question.
Like the information can be passed on to the offspring.
No, that is not correct. So it's recessive. It is suppressed, or you just need 2 copies of that for you to see the trait. If it's just 1, you will not see it unless 2. Next set of questions. The preamble is calculate the following. Redemption Baptist, I'm starting from you. If 1 maps to 0, 2 maps to 1, 3 maps to 2, and 4 maps to 3, what is the rule of the mapping? Your microphone is off. Don't put your microphone off.
Y equals 1x plus 0.
That is not correct. Police basic as a bonus.
Y equals x minus 1.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. Police basic, your main question. If 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 4, and 3 maps to 6, what is the rule of the mapping?
Y equals 2x.
That is correct. Again, let's give it to them. Ebu Bonko MA. If 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 5, 3 maps to 7, what is the rule of the mapping?
Y is equals to 2x plus 2.
That is not correct.
Y is equals to 2x plus 1.
That is correct. Let's give it to them.
I was confused. Yeah, I get it.
Next set of questions. 15 seconds. Preamble to all schools. Radioactivity is the emission of particles from unstable nuclei. Radioactivity is the emission of particles from unstable nuclei. Police basic. Name 1 type of radioactive emission.
Microwave oven.
That is not correct. You have another attempt?
Gamma ray.
That is correct. Police basic. What's her name? Police basic. Vanessa. Hello.
Gamma ray.
Hello. We are here for the quiz. Whatever you have, just say it. There's no wrong or correct answer. Just be bold and say the answer, eh? Are you okay? Yes. Just be bold with your answers. Ebubonko MA. State 1 use of radioactivity in medicine.
It can be used by the MRI machine.
4 I'm not giving us a bonus, but I'll give you 1 out of 3. I'm just giving you 1 out of 3. I'm not making it available as a bonus. Okay. Redemption Baptist. Why is radioactivity dangerous? Esther, you have something to say? As a bonus, Ebubonko MA.
Because it can cause cancer.
It can cause cancer. Okay, I'll give you as a bonus. Next set of questions. The following question are statements you are to state whether they are true or false. This question cannot be passed on as bonuses. Ebubonko MA. A thermometer can be used to measure the mass of an object accurately. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. Redemption Baptist. A barometer is an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure and can help predict weather changes. True or false?
True.
That is correct. Let's give it to her. Police basic. A graduated cylinder is preferred over a beaker when precise volume measurement of liquids are needed.
True.
That is correct. Let's give it to her. Redemption Baptist Mission School. Your main question. The LCM of 28 and 36 is 254. True or false?
See. It didn't give us.
False. So that is a false. That's a false statement.
Any more questions?
I said Redemption Baptist. I said Redemption Baptist. Now, police basic, your main question. Police basic, your main question. The LCM of 45 and 70 is 640. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Ebubonko MA. The LCM of 21 and 35 is 305. True or false?
False.
That is correct. So that was the last question for the round. And kindly note that the 2025 quiz competition So know that the 2025 quiz is organized by the College of Science, KNUST. So, and in collaboration with Ghana Education Service and Dex Technology, Erede Ghana Limited, we will be back from the short break with the scores for round 1. Okay, so we are back from that short break, and we had an awesome round. Round 1 was powerful. Let's give a hand of applause for our contestants. They are doing well. It's been an awesome contest. It's been an awesome contest. So at the end of round 1, these are our scores. We have Redemption Baptist. Redemption Baptist Mission School has 12 points. Let's give it to them. Ebubonko MA Basic School has 14 points. And finally, Police Basic School, Cape Coast, has 17 points. So indeed, it's an awesome round. It's been. We move on to round 2, which we call the fastest fingers, fastest brain. And in this round, one question will be read out, and contestants are to compete to be the first to answer each question. Carries a score of 4 points. When the contestant is ready to respond to a question, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. And after the buzzer has been pressed, you have 3 seconds to answer. 3 seconds. Don't wait for more than that. If a school gets a question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of just 1 attempt to answer a question. And however, a wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of -1, a penalty of 1 point. So a wrong answer attracts a penalty of 1 point. So at this point, I say best wishes to you all. Before we start, since it is buzzer dependent, I still want to hear your buzzers again. I'll start from Ebubonko MA. Good. Press again. Good. Then police. Basic. Fantastic. Press again. Good. And redemption. Fantastic. Press again. Good. First set of questions. A steel needle carefully placed on a surface of water floats. What type of force made the steel needle to float?
Surface tension.
Come again.
Surface tension.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. Next question. What hormone has the function of helping the kidneys of terrestrial vertebrates in water balance regulation? Okay, so that is the antidiuretic hormone. Next question for the first set. A program runs without crashing, but it produced incorrect results. What type of error is this? Okay, so that is again logical error. Logical. Next set. Why does the moon have weaker gravity than the earth? Okay, because it has a less mass, it has a lighter mass, so that is it. Next question. What is the term used to describe the study of fishes? Ebu Bonko.
Etiology.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. Next question. If x and 118 are co-interior angles, if x and 118 are co-interior angles, what is the value of x? Police basic.
62.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. Final set of questions for this round. A wave has a frequency of 200 Hz and a wavelength of 2 meters. Find its speed. Oh no. Police basic.
100 meters per second.
That is not correct. That is just 400 meters squared. 200 times 2. 400 meters squared. Final question for this round. Name the products formed when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide? Police basic.
Sodium chloride and water.
That is correct. Ebubonko, I asked you to ring first. You ring before you answer. You were picking your mic without ringing. So that was the final question for this round. And we just take a short break and we'll be back with the scores for round 2. Okay, so again, that was an exciting round. It was super indeed. So these are our scores for round 2 and total together. So at the end of round 2, or in round 2, Redemption Baptist had 0 marks for round 2 and making a total of 12 points at the end of round 2. Ebubonko made 8 points in round 2 and has a total of 22 points. And finally, Police Basic made 7 points in round 2 with a total of 24 points. So we move on to round 3, which is the science and technology round. And in this round, one question will be given to all schools. The question in this round requires a contestant to perform a task that they will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points, and contestants will be given 15 minutes to complete the task. This round is powered by the desk science set. And in this round, contestants will be provided with a laptop computer with Microsoft PowerPoint installed. Laptop computers with Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, I mentioned 10. 15 minutes, 10 marks. So 15 minutes, 10 marks. Okay. 10 minutes, rather 10 marks. You'll be given a laptop. Do you have the laptops? You can go live. So Should I read it? Let me read it. And I'm reading the question. Okay. Yeah. So welcome. Before we begin that, we want to do a substitution for Redemption Baptist. We want to thank Esther Hayford for coming. Esther, thank you for coming. Thank you. You are leaving us, so thank you. And we want to receive Fadima Amwa. Okay. You are welcome. Okay. So now back to our third round. Contestants have their laptops in front of them, and the laptops have Microsoft PowerPoint installed on it. They have 6 tasks to perform. The first task is to locate a text file named dex.ts on your computer desktop. And 2, you can have your questions now. And 2, pick your questions now. 2, using the PowerPoint, create a 4-slide presentation of the human digestive system using the text document given. The first one is the first slide of your presentation should contain your topic, the human digestive system, in caps bold with a font style area narrow with font size 48, that is one mark. Underneath the slide, the title, write out your names. Use the font size 24 with the Calibra font, 1 mark. Using the heading and the paragraph underneath it and the next document to create the remaining 4 slides. All headings should have font size 36, font style Comic Sans MS, and capitalize. And the text with font size 24 and 24, and font style Times New Roman. And finally, add slide number and today's date to the footer of each slide page except the title page. Slide number should be on the right of the slide and date left. That is 3 marks. So contestants, we have 10 minutes for this round. You may start work now. All the best. You have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Wrapping up by now. We just have a minute to go. A minute, less than a minute. We should be wrapping up by now. Up, stop work, time up, stop work. Time up, good. come from that break. Kindly note that this quiz is brought to you, was organized by the College of Science, KNUST, in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, DEX Technology and Erede Ghana Limited, and sponsored by KNUST E-Learning, Institute of Distance Learning KNUST, DEX Technology, GREDCO, MTN Stakeholder Management, and Nestle Ghana Limited. So in round 3, which is a science and technology challenge, we're given laptops and Microsoft PowerPoint installed on it, and you have 6, or basically say 4 tasks to complete. So at the end, we have the scores for round 3. I'll start with Redemption Baptist. So the task initially was to locate the text file named DexTS on your computer, and using PowerPoint create 4-slide presentation of the human digestive system with the test document given below. So in task 1, you were to, or the first thing to do for 1 mark was, you have your first slide, and the first slide should be on the human digestive system. Redemption Baptist, on Redemption Baptist, you were not able to do that. Task 4, you were to write the title and your names beneath that. That was also not possible. You couldn't do that as well. You have 0 out of 1 also. Task 5, you were to use the heading and the paragraph underneath it to create the remaining 4 slides with some details given. It was 5 marks. You couldn't do that as well. That is 0. And finally, you were to fix the date and time. You couldn't do that as well, and that is 0 as well. But I'm a good quiz master, at least for putting in some effort. I'm going to give you 1 out of 10. Let's give it to them. I'll move on to Ebubonko MA. You were able to do the first task and you have 1 out of 1. The second task also, you did it marvelously, powerfully, and that is also 1 out of 1. The remaining tasks 5 and 6, you did your best, but that was not your best. There's nothing in there, and you're having 0 for task 5 and 0 for task 6, and you're having 2 out of 10. Let's give it to them. And finally, we have the Police Basic School. Police Basic. Task 1, yes, you did well. You have 1 out of 1. Task 2, again 1 out of 1. Task 5, no, task 4. Task 5, creating the headings and all that. You did powerfully well. 5 out of 5. And finally, task 6 is also 3 out of 5. Again, task 6 also, you did wonderfully there. You have a perfect score, and you are having 10 out of 10. Let's give it to them. So, at the end of round 3, these are our scores. Redemption Baptist Mission School has 13 points. Let's give it to them. Ebubonko MA Basic School has 24 points. Give it to them. I can't hear you. Let's give it to them again. Then finally, Police Basic School Cape Coast has 34 points. So we move on to the final round, which is the decoding the clues. the round 4. We have that as the decoding the clues. And in this round again, one question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, you have 6 points for that. If answered on the second clue, you have 5 points for that. Answered on the third clue, you have 4 points, and any other clue, you have 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzers before attempting to answer the question. A failure to press the buzzer before answering the question disqualifies you from the question and nullifies your answer, even if it is correct. And since, again, it is buzzer dependent, I want to hear your buzzers. I'll start from redemption. Let me hear your buzzer. Good. Ebubonko. Fantastic. And police basic. Good. First set of clues. Are we ready? Good. Without me, rotation is incomplete. I can be small or large depending on the turn. I describe how far a figure is turned around a fixed point. I am key in the concept of geometry and transformation. And I'm usually measured in degrees. Police basic.
Angle.
That is not correct. Any other? Redemption. Speak, redemption, speak.
The cardinal point.
No, that is not correct. Police basic. Where are you? Police basic. I know. I want to see them. Yes. Ima, you know, I said the first thing I said was that without me, rotation is incomplete. So the answer is angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. So that was the first clue. Without me, rotation. So angle of rotation, not just angle. Next set. Next set. I occur naturally without requiring energy inputs. My rate increase with temperature and concentration difference. I involve particles spreading to occupy available space. The smell of redemption Baptist.
Diffusion.
That is correct. Let's give it to them. I'll give you for that, say the third clue, and I'm giving you 4 points for that. Are you ready for next set? I have a higher solute concentration than the solution inside a cell. Police basic.
Brine.
That is not correct. When a cell is placed in me, water molecules leave the cell. I can cause plant cells vehicular to shrink. This movement of water may result in plasmolysis. Ebubonko.
Osmosis.
That is not correct. A concentrated salt solution is a common example of me. Who am I? Redemption, anything? That is a hypertonic solution. Final question in this round. I am a fluid tissue that flows through the body. My pH is kept steady so that the body can stay healthy. I contain red blood cells, white blood cells, police basic.
Blood.
That is correct. Again, that was the third clue. Let's give it to them. So that was awesome. We have come to the end of the contest. What an awesome contest. That was a powerful contest indeed. So let's give it up for all of our contestants. Let's give it to them. All our contestants, they've done marvelously well for coming and representing their schools. Let's give them a hand of applause again. So that is the end of the contest, and at the end of the contest, or in round 4, at the end of the contest, these are our scores. We have Redemption Baptist Mission School with 17 points. Let's give it to them. They've done so well. We have Ebubonko MA with 24 points. Let's give it to them as well. And today, this afternoon, the second contest, the 2 of the Central Regional Contest, we have Police Basic emerging as winners with a score of 38 points. Let's give it to them. So we want to thank Redemption Baptist School and Ebubonko MA Bexi for coming. And it's been an exciting contest for giving us such a moment and a contest like this. We hope to see you again, but not probably this year, maybe probably next year in the 2026 contest. But hope to see you again, Police Basic School, Cape Coast, and the days ahead. So it's been awesome this afternoon. So soon we come to the end of the contest, and okay. So Ebubonko again, we're going to see Ebubonko, definitely we're going to see you again. So keep preparing. We're going to see you in again this year probably. So keep preparing. But thank you for coming, Redemption Baptist School. We thank you for coming. So Police Basic and Ebubonko has qualified for the next round. Let's give it to them. A hand of applause to them for qualifying. And finally, my name is Gabriel. And until we meet again, stay blessed and shalom. Bye-bye.